The shocking reason you still can't speak Spanish, and how to fix it. Hey, stop trying to study Spanish like this. These things were never designed to actually make you fluent. In fact, they're the #1 reason people give up learning Spanish. Because here's the truth. You can't learn to speak a language by reading about it. Every day, millions of people spend hours memorizing grammar rules, flashcards, or app streaks, and still can't hold a single real conversation in Spanish. Why? Because your brain doesn't learn languages through reading, it learns through listening. That's how babies learn. That's how you learned English. But nobody tells you that. You could spend years studying Spanish grammar, or pay thousands for classes and still freeze up the moment a real Spanish speaker talks to you. Because without hearing Spanish in real natural contexts, your brain never makes the connection between words and meaning. That's why traditional studying will never get you fluent. That's exactly why we created Spanish for Newbies, the audio-based Spanish learning system that teaches you Spanish the same way you learned your first language, by listening. No textbooks, no boring grammar drills, just real immersive Spanish audio lessons that train your ear to understand and speak naturally, automatically. Forget about sitting at your desk studying verbs for hours. Forget about wasting time on apps that just test your memory. With Spanish for Newbies, you learn while you live your life. In your car, at the gym, on a walk, or while you cook dinner. Our system has helped thousands of beginners finally start understanding real Spanish conversations without studying. It includes over 400 audio lessons, Spanish travel phrases, and even binaural audio technology to help your brain absorb Spanish faster and easier. Imagine being able to understand Spanish movies, chat confidently when you travel, and finally feel fluent, all just by listening. Right now, you can get instant access to the full Spanish for Newbies system for just $27, a one-time payment. Tap the link below to start learning Spanish the easy way, the natural way, with SpanishforNewbies.com.